Hello, it's Patrick here from the GarageBandGuide.com. Whether you're just dipping your toes into the world of iOS music making or a seasoned pro looking to expand your audio options, the App Store is stuffed to the brim with all manner of music making apps, all vying for your attention and your hard-earned cash. There are some good deals to be had, however, and it is possible to broaden those sonic horizons without spending a single penny. In this video, I'll share my picks for the very best free iOS audio apps that the App Store has to offer. First up, we have an absolutely essential download for pretty much anyone who is even considering making music on their iDevice, AudioKit Synth 1. Synth 1 is a pleasant surprise in that not only does it offer the pro synth app experience for free, it also surpasses many pro synth apps in terms of sound quality and feature set. Those features include 5 oscillators, 2 assignable LFOs with dozens of routing possibilities, hybrid analog FN polysynthesizer, and some of the best fully formed presets out of the box I've ever come across, all wrapped up in an easy to use user interface. I took a deep dive into the story behind Synth 1 and a closer look at its sounds and features in a video a wee while back. Click the card at the top to check it out. I'll also put a link in the description. Not to be missed, Synth 1 is absolutely bloody fantastic. In my top 5 iOS guitar apps video from a while back, I thought I had covered all the main amp and FX sim app contenders that were available at the time. You guys were quick to let me know that I had missed out a pretty important mention. ToneStack is a fully featured guitar amp and effect app that is available in both Premium, ToneStack 3, and Freemium, ToneStack Go format. What sets the free-to-download ToneStack Go apart from other iOS amp and FX sims that you can download for free is that you actually get a whole lot of usable features and sounds to play with. Yes, there are the obligatory in-app purchase offerings littered throughout the interface, but there's definitely scope to sculpt some pretty damn good tones here without having to put your hand in your pocket. ToneStack's creator Yonak says that unlike other FX apps that try to copycat with EQing and other gimmicks, ToneStack recreates the intricate designs of the real thing. Being able to get a piece of that action for free makes downloading and giving ToneStack Go a whirl a bit of a no-brainer. Now gather round the fire, kids, while Grandad Patrick tells you tales of his youth. Back in 2011, when using GarageBand on Mac to make my first ever EP/mini album thing, there were 2 third-party plugins I used on almost every single track. A 100% completely legit and, of course, paid for version of iZotope's Trash, and Audio Damage's Rough Rider compressor. That thing just made drums and percussion sound excellent. So when Audio Damage announced that they were porting their similarly fantastic Rough Rider 2 plugin to iOS, I had to give it a try. Happily, the magic is still there. This thing will still absolutely mango your drums and percussion sounds given half a chance. I find dialing it down a wee bit is a great way to add some additional beef to a rhythm section, and it's also great for adding that elusive je ne sais quoi to synth sounds too. It earns bonus points for being an Audio Unit version 3 plugin too, which does make incorporating this thing into your workflow even easier. If you want a more in-depth look at Rough Rider 2, my buddy Pete Johns from Studio Live Today has a great video exploring how it works and the kinds of sounds that you can create. Click the card at the top of the screen to check it out, or you can find a link in the description below. Clevgrins have a bit of a reputation for releasing quirky, left-field plugins and apps that really push the boundaries in terms of user interface and sound quality. SVEP is a free studio modulation filter effect that Clevgrins say is suitable for any sound. All parameters are easily editable in one screen, and the clean and responsive user interface encourages creativity. Tweak it to produce anything from old school phasers to subtle choruses. SVEP is both AUV3 and inter-app audio compatible, and its low CPU usage means you can whack multiple instances of it onto a track or project without worrying about seeing the dreaded optimizing performance message. The interface of this app is wild, but it really makes it easy to produce very usable and expressive sounds. If you're looking for an upgrade to GarageBand for iOS's built-in modulation effects, then SVEP might just fit the bill for you. Finally, Factory from Sugar Bytes is an incredibly powerful modular synthesizer that sports a big modulation matrix with all kinds of features to create a wildlife of sounds. Factory allows you to go as deep as you want in search of the sound you're after. The free version comes with dozens of presets to get you started, as well as access to more secret presets by tapping the O in the Factory logo. Shout out to Paul Henry from the iPad Musician Facebook group for that slice of fried gold. If you want to get more technical, you have access to Factory's 2 oscillator controls, the super powerful modulation matrix, and Sugar Bytes' unique arpeggiator and intonation mashup. Fantastic stuff, and while there's more than enough to keep you busy in the free version, chances are it won't take you long before you're ready and willing to pay the 17 quid to unlock the full version. So there you have it. Those are my picks for the very best free audio production iOS apps in the world today. But what do you think? Did I miss any out? What iOS apps, free or otherwise, can you not live without? Let me know in the comments below. I've been Patrick from the GarageBandGuide.com, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.